stuff, and then rode down through all country roads, amazing, big fucking hills, big Pennines.
Alright.
Here's my bike. It's got wheels and shit. Check, check.
Just go on and talk us through it.
Well, it's built from all the tubes come out of broken frames that I've repaired. End up with all the bits of tubes. So I've got Bob Jackson, Fuji, seat tube there, Holdsworth, curved tube. That was the down tube of some kind of cruiser. Brian Rock, gyro, a few other bits of new tubing. Extra long, carry all kinds of stuff, including beach bags.
Just make a load of noise for the video, yeah?
900mm wide handlebars.
Extra wide.
Super big.
Where'd you get them from?
Extra stability. They're, I don't know, some kind of motorbike bars, maybe trials, I'm not sure. Huge.
Ah, damn.
And they got corn as well.
Awesome. Yeah, man.
3x9 hub gear, internal hub gear, and a disc brake with Super Ted written in it.
Oh, yeah. That's sick. Awesome. Let's get that.
Laser cut into it.
Oh yeah, that's fucking sick, man.
Big fat rear tyre for cushioning to carry. Got weight on there.
Got some low air pressure in that.
Had the kid on it when he was 10 days old in the
Yeah.
car seat. Yeah.
Put a car seat on the back.
Yeah, I had a scooter seat as well put on. My girlfriend was pregnant, she sat on the back of it. It's great off-road, sliding around corners and get the back wheel way out. Really good fun.
Awesome.
It's light as well.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's rad.
Oh.
Nice one.
Think that